What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Toya Cherie, and I am back with another video. And I'm going to be like clipping my ends slash cutting my hair. Okay, I feel like it's more cutting my hair. Um, well, I have split ends, so I'm trying to get that cleaned up and everything. So I'm like, yep, it's time. Let me go ahead and pretty much cut my hair. So I'm just gonna start in the back. Make sure you guys have a good pair of shears, cutting scissors, okay? So I'm just pretty much gonna measure it with my fingers and where I feel like it needs to be cut and where I think the ends are pretty much split. So that's pretty much how I measured it, and then I just took my shears and bam, cut it, boo. Yep, yep, and those are sharp. So those are some good scissors right there, good shears. And you can get those from your local beauty supply store, of course. Um, so I'm gonna pretty much do my whole head like that, the same kind of method, and then try to get it all even. This is pretty much me getting myself ready for actually cutting my hair. You guys know I'm really gonna cut my hair off, okay? Like completely, not completely, but it's gonna be in a very short hairstyle. It's something new for 2021. I've always wanted a short haircut, and what better time than now? It's like, why not? So I get bored with my hair easily, if you guys don't know. So I was like, yeah, it's time to change it up a little bit. And that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, this is kind of like giving me, a little preview, but of course it's gonna be cut way more than this. But I think the hairstyle is gonna look cute on me once it's really cut all the way. But I'm just giving you guys a little update pretty much on my hair as well. And this is like, I wanna say almost 4 months post relaxer. So maybe about 3 months, 3.5 months post relaxer. So I'm pretty much finished with that, with the first section in the back. So I am going to move on to the rest of my hair, and I'm gonna be quiet and I'll let you guys just watch me work and cut. Okay, so I am finished. I finally finished all the sections of my hair. Thank the Lord. I think it looks much better. I did even out the back of the my hair from when I started cutting it earlier. So I evened it out in the back, and I think the front of my hair looks good too, as far as my ends and everything. But of course, you guys know this is just the beginning. Okay, I am going to be cutting my hair off, okay? And it's gonna be in a style, really short hairstyle. So if you guys know any hairstylists in the area, I live in Atlanta, Georgia, please tag them below in the comment section. And be sure to follow me on Instagram at Toya Cherie. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.